Hello, and welcome to this guided meditation to help focus. Let's begin. Find a calm place. Make sure there is nothing around that will interrupt this meditation you are about to dedicate time to. A couple of positions that might help relax your body are these. Sit upright in a chair, or sit with your legs crossed, or lay down. Any position will work as long as you're relaxed. Okay, let's begin. Now, close your eyes slowly. Today, after listening to this guided meditation, it will eliminate all your anxiety in this moment, and you will only feel positive and productive throughout this entire day. Now we will begin. Take a deep breath in slowly. Imagine when you're taking a deep breath in that you're breathing in all the positive energy and all the productive energy. Now blow out. Exhale. Slowly. As you exhale, envision all of the negative stress and anxiety leaving your body with each exhale. Now, as you inhale, lift your right arm all the way above your head and stretch out your spine at the same time. And as you exhale, slowly bring your arm down. Now inhale and bring up your left arm slowly above your head and make it so that you feel it in your spine. Now slowly exhale and bring your arm down. Relax your shoulders. Let them fall. Feel the tenseness leave your shoulders as you inhale and exhale. And to roll your neck very slowly around clockwise direction. Now roll your shoulders forward, relaxing them each time you complete one circle. Now roll your shoulders backwards, relaxing your shoulders each time you complete one circle. Continue to breathe slowly in and out. And all you should be thinking at this moment is how positive your day is going to be and how happy you feel after doing this. Now slowly open your eyes and breathe one more time. A deep breath in and a deep breath out. And begin your day. Thank you for listening.